Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. This is Central DIY. I will be explaining you about the usage of your leak to use the water faucet to minimize your contact with your hand. Be free from the bacteria and the viruses. This is my another DIY, how to open and close the water tap with the help of leak. So this is powered with the help of leak. So here I have as usual I have used the elastic band here and here. So here how it works is when I press this lever down, it will pull that string from here, and then when I release the handle back, I need not have to close the tap. Because of the elastic band, it will close automatically. It will pull to close. So this is how the water is being saved, and also you can save yourself from the deadly coronavirus.